Hello, my old school soul food family. It is that time of the week again. As y'all saw in the previous video, every 2 weeks I receive a box of food. I don't know what's in this box. Only thing I know what's in here is carrots, onions, celery, and flour. Those 4 ingredients always in this box. That's 4 ingredients that I always want, always use. And they know to put that in there. The other ingredients, I have no idea. And I like the element of surprise so I can just kind of create on the fly what I'm going to do with the other items. And I pay like, you have different levels what you can do. I do like the $50, $52 every 2 week level. So that's enough for me to make my different menu items and different foods and use all this up in 2 weeks. So what I'm going to do, like I say, every 2 weeks I'm going to do this. I'm going to make a video. I'm going to open it up and we're going to see together. Y'all going to see the same time I see what's in here. So let me open it up here. Come on, it was on the doorstep when I got off work. Haven't been long getting off work. Okay. Move this here to the side. Hold on, let me move the camera here where y'all can, I guess y'all can kind of still see. Okay. This to the side here. Got all this extra paper in there, nice packed up in there. Okay. There's my celery, like always in there. I got my carrots in here. There's my carrots there. I got an onion in here somewhere, but we're just gonna start from the top here. I got some green beans in here. That's nice. Nice snap beans. I definitely know what I'm gonna do with that. Do some sauteed onions and bacon with this. Shoot, I already know. And reading me Imperfect Foods, look at how disformed this carrot is. It's not bad. They just don't, you just can't sell it in the supermarket. That's what they mean by Imperfect Foods. Okay, let's see what else I got. I got some red bell peppers, nice ones. I got a cabbage. Oh yeah, cabbage with some bacon and onions. I exactly know how I'm gonna do that. Okay, what I got here? I got some oranges here. Nice oranges. Okay, I got some, look like Honey Crisp apples. Okay, I like that. Got some apples there. There's another orange. Oh, there's lemon. I know exactly what I'm gonna make out of it. So I'm gonna go through this after I finish, and as I'm thinking here what I'm gonna make with this stuff. I got some more avocados, which are green, which is awesome. I like that. They're green to give me time for them to ripen up. Okay, I got me some sweet potatoes. I already know what I'm gonna make with these. It's gonna be a sweet potato casserole or a sweet potato souffle or something like that. Definitely gonna make that with that. Okay, there's another carrot. There's another carrot there. There's my onion. I have my onion there. Here's some tomatoes we have here. I have some tomatoes here. There's another onion I'll put over there. There's another lemon. Okay. I got some potatoes here, some red potatoes. Be nice. Nice red potatoes. A bit more there. All right. There's a tomato. Okay. I got some pita bread here. Yeah, that'll work. Nice pita bread. Here's my flour I always get. Always get flour. Always. Get a bag of flour. I got some crushed tomatoes. That'll work. I can make spaghetti sauce or something with that. Oh, I got some risotto rice. This is awesome. Some short grain rice, like risotto. And I always use rice. Gotta have the red beans and rice. I got some rice there. I got some spaghetti here. That'll go good with the pasta. They were thinking ahead. Okay, I got some feta cheese here. Feta cheese will go good with this pita bread. What else I got here? I got some Parmesan Reggiano, Parmesan cheese. That'll work. Oh, what we got here? All right. We got some cod. I know exactly what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to make some fish and chips. Some tempura fried fish and chips. Exactly what I'm gonna do with that cod. And that is it, y'all. That is it. So like I say, y'all just stay tuned and see what I'm gonna create with all this. Like I said, I know what I'm gonna do with this cod. That's fish and chips definitely coming up sometime this weekend. And I got sweet potatoes, gonna be some kind of sweet potato casserole or something like that. These red bean potatoes go good with these green beans and new potatoes. Oh, that will definitely work well together. Spaghetti, that sauce there, that's easy. Avocados, that'll be good on the salad. Lemon, I'm gonna make a lemon chest pie. I know exactly, that's gonna be my Friday night pie of the week. Lemon chest pie. I got lemons there. And oranges. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these oranges. I'll probably just eat them straight up. I give to my mom, she loves oranges. But yeah, I just wanted to share this video with y'all. And like I say, every 2 weeks I get this, and by the time the next box come along, I'll be even giving this away to my mom or some neighbors, or I've cooked it up with some kind of video that I did online to show y'all. So like I say, it's just a little thing. I don't never get any actual meat like beef, pork, and nothing like chicken, because y'all know I either have my meat processed or I go to my meat market once a month and get what meats I need. I don't want any meat put in this box. So I put that exclaimer on there. I don't want any meat. You can give me seafood, stuff like that, but most time I don't want any meat. So anyway, just like enjoy sharing this video with y'all. And I mean, if y'all have Imperfect foods in your area, that's something you maybe can look into if it's in your budget. But like I say, it saves me lots of money, saves me trip to the store. I very seldom go to the store at all. I might go to the store for milk, and that's pretty much it. I go to farmer market once a month, where I get all my farm market eggs and stuff like that. And then, like I say, I go to the meat market maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 months, depending on how much I get. Then I get meat, you know, processed, and that's pretty much it. I'm very frugal and organized when it comes to food. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please comment, please share. Please visit my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Twitch TV, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day.